Hey NEET aspirant and future doctors, welcome to our YouTube channel. NEET Guidance, the internet is full of bro science, fake news, half knowledge and wrong information of a propaganda. If you want a reliable, authentic, updated information about the NEET UG courses, MBBS, PDS, PVLC, Ayush and NEET counseling process and admission guidance, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and you never have to go anywhere else. Hi NEET applicants and future doctors, if you are searching for reliable, authentic and updated information about Karnataka medical colleges, All India quota cutoff, government quota cutoff, private quota cutoff, open quota cutoff, NRI quota cutoff, others quota cutoff, category wise, round wise, college wise and many more, watch this video. In Karnataka, total 69 medical colleges are approved by NMC and participating in NEET counseling. Out of these 69 medical colleges, 24 are government medical colleges, 33 are private medical colleges along with St. John Medical College and 12 are deemed universities. In Karnataka, total 5,445 MBBS seats are available in 33 private medical colleges. Out of these 5,445 MBBS seats, 1,823 MBBS seats are allotted to the state government quota. Only Karnataka state students are eligible. 1,598 MBBS seats are allotted to the GMP. Only Karnataka candidates are eligible. 815 MBBS seats are allotted to the open seats. All India candidates who are citizen of India are eligible. 798 MBBS seats are allotted to the NRI quota and 261 MBBS seats are allotted to the others quota. All India candidates who are a citizen of India are eligible and 150 MBBS seats are available in St. John Medical College, Bangalore. Apart from these, there are 9 government seats in deemed university, JSS Mysuru. Karnataka private medical colleges open quota cutoff 2022 college-wise and round-wise were given below. For Kempegowda Institute of Medical Science, Bangalore, for first round, 25,498 was All India rank and 590 were marks. And for second round, 26,961 was All India rank and 587 were marks. For JJM Medical College, first round, 46,389 was All India rank and 554 were marks. For second round, 53,078 was All India rank and 544 were marks. For last 4 colleges, the cutoff was very low as compared to all the above colleges because in those colleges the fees are very high. From that, Dr. Chandrama Dayanand Sagar Institute of Medical Education, Ramanagara, for first round, 1,73,892 was All India rank and 404 were marks. For second round, 2,58,671 was All India rank and 339 were marks. Karnataka private medical colleges, others quota and NRI quota cutoff 2022 college-wise and route-wise were given below. There are 31 private medical colleges in the state of Karnataka. Other quota has 248 seats and NRI quota has 761 MBBS seats. Other state candidates can take admission in all those seats. In that, MS Ramaiah Medical College for the quota, round 1, All India rank was 1,95,941 and marks were 385. And for second round, All India rank was 3,29,351 and marks were 296. For NRI quota, for first round, All India rank was 3,83,766 and marks were 267. For second round, All India rank was 4,97,163 and marks were 217. For Dr. Chandrama Dayanand Sagar Institute of Medical Education, Ramanagara, further quota round 1, All India rank was 3,33,409 and marks were 293. And for second round, All India rank was 5,75,587 and marks were 189. Karnataka state quota and reservation categories for MBBS admission. Category seat reservations. State quota to MBBS seats in Karnataka are reserved as follows. 15% seats of government quota shall be reserved for rural candidates. 5% seats of government quota shall be reserved for Kannada medium candidates. Hyderabad Karnataka region comprising the district of Gulbarga, Bidar, Raichur, Yadgiri, Bellary shall be regards as the local area. 70% seats of college within this area are allotted to the local candidates. 7% of seats in Karnataka state medical colleges are reserved for Hyderabad Karnataka region students are given below. For SC 15% reservation and for ST 3% reservation. For category 1 4% reservation. For category 2A 15% reservation. For category 2B 4% reservation. For category 3A 4% reservation. For category 3B 5% reservation. For GM category 15% reservation. Special reservation categories are given below. Minority reservation to others. First one is Muslim minority and second one is Christian minority. Reservation under Article 371J. Reservation under Article 371J is only applicable for the medical college where the college is located in the Hyderabad Karnataka region. 70% state quota seats are reserved for the students from the Hyderabad Karnataka region. In this 70%, 50% will be for GM and the rest for SC, ST and OBC students. This includes medical college in Bidar, Koppal, Gulbarga, Raichur, Yadagiri and Bellary districts. Karnataka Medical Colleges reservation category abbreviations are given below. Karnataka Medical Colleges quota abbreviations are given below. Karnataka Government and Private Medical Colleges Government Quota Cutoff 2022. For 1J category in second round, All India rank was 88,883 and marks were 493. For 1K category in second round, All India rank was 1,23,209 and marks were 453. For 1R category in second round, All India rank was 1,03,613 and marks were 475. For 2AJ category in second round, All India rank was 91,255 and marks were 490. For 2AK category in second round, All India rank was 1,12,393 and marks were 465. For 2AR category second round, All India rank was 1,05,80 and marks were 479. For 2BG category in second round, All India rank was 82,965 and marks were 501. For 2BK category in second round, All India rank was 1,24,023 and marks were 452. For 2BR category in second round, All India rank was 96,369 and marks were 484. For 3AG category in second round, All India rank was 80,980 and marks were 504. For 3AK category in second round, All India rank was 1,17,329 and marks were 460. For 3HR R category, in second round, All India rank was 89,665 and marks were 492. For 3BG category, in second round, All India rank was 84,023 and marks were 500. For 3BK category, in second round, All India rank was 1,07,276 and marks were 471. For 3BR category, in second round, All India rank was 91,961 and marks were 490. For GM category, in second round, All India rank was 81,455 and marks were 503. For GMK category, in second round, All India rank was 1,10,505 and marks were 467. For GMR category, in second round, All India rank was 91,817 and marks were 419. For SCG category, in second round, All India rank was 1,99,440 and marks were 382. For SCK category, in second round, All India rank was 2,45,230 and marks were 348. For SCR category, in second round, All India rank was 2,09,644 and marks were 374. For STG category, in second round, All India rank was 1,36,536 and marks were 439. For STK category, in second round, All India rank was 1,90,490 and marks were 390. For STR category, in second round, All India rank was 1,57,995 and marks were 418. First round cutoff 2022 government seat in government or private medical colleges, given link in PDF. Second round cutoff 2022 government seat in government or private medical colleges, given link in PDF. If you appreciate this video and wish to view further videos, press the subscribe button, like, share and press the bell icon to get the latest updates and notifications. Thank you for watching.